Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I got another PR box from Glossybox. I'm not sure what box this is. I think this is PR for December. They did give me PR for the month of November. They did say they were going to send me like some of the, I think they were like mystery boxes or some of the boxes, but I don't think these are it. I think this is the subscription box for December. I'm not sure. I just know they showed up at my door, so we're gonna find out what this box is together. So if you want to know what's in this glossy box that says surprise me, because we're both gonna be surprised together, then you guys know what to do. Keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so before we get into my box today, as always, I want to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. So welcome, my name is Aisha. I love all things makeup related, which is why I started my channel. Me loving makeup and trying new beauty products is why I decided to start my channel, because I like trying new stuff. And what better way to try new stuff than having beauty subscription boxes? You get to try out a lot of full-size products or like deluxe size products for half the price. I think that's an amazing deal. So I decided to just subscribe to a whole bunch of makeup subscription boxes and then have you guys see what we got together. I also do makeup hauls, mystery boxes, and advent calendars here on this channel. So if these are things that you guys like to watch, then I would say subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. Alrighty guys, let's dig in. Alrighty guys, so I went back to my email to see if I could find out which box they sent me, because originally they said they were going to send me Black Friday, a limited edition box, and a skincare box, and a holiday limited edition box. But I don't believe I got any of those boxes because Black Friday was a while ago. Today is December 24th, but I'm gonna film this on Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas everyone. Even though, I mean, it's not Christmas for me today, all my videos are pre-filmed, but Merry Christmas everyone watching this, because this is going to be uploaded on Christmas Day. I hope everyone has a wonderful, spectacular Christmas. I hope you guys get everything you want, and I wish all my subscribers and everyone across the world a happy and healthy New Year. So, like I said, I have no idea. So, we're just going to open this up because I am confused. Is this the December box? But normally it doesn't say, like, surprise me. So, I don't know. But let's dig in, guys. Alright, so glossy boxes normally come a box in a box because they want to preserve their fancy, bougie boxes, which I love. And they always have, like, different types. So, this is what this box looks like. You can reuse these boxes for like a jewelry box or for your deluxe sample. So I'm here for the box. Alright, so let me tell you a little bit about the box here. So this box is originally $21, but I do have a code. You can save $5 on your first box. So that would make your box $16 if you use code Aisha. Like I said, it's normally $21, so if you're trying to save some coins, $5 is $5, then you can use my code. I don't get a commission off of this for anything. For me, it's just for you guys to save, so use that code if you want to save some dollars. So, let's see here. Glossybox surprised me. So, now, is this the holiday? Okay, so they did give me one of the limited edition boxes. This is the holiday limited edition box. So it says Glossybox Holiday Limited Edition box. So this was one of the boxes that they said they were going to ship me. Let me see here. Yes. holiday limited edition box. Yep, that's this. So it says the holiday limited edition box features 9 luxury beauty products with 9 products worth over $230. Some of the brands include Milk Makeup, Fakai, and By Terry. This box will be available for $30 for subscribers and $35 for non-subscribers. So yeah, let's dig in. I'm gonna assume this is available now since I just got this box like I want to say like 2 days ago. So this card was on the top, and then when you open the box, this is what it looks like inside. It's so pretty. I think I may use this box over. Now blue is not really my color, so maybe I won't. I'm a pink girl. Everything in my beauty room is pink, so I don't know if this is gonna go with my pink, you know, decor from my beauty room. But nevertheless, let's see what we got. Alrighty, let's see here. Oh, guys, I'm loving this box right off the bat because they gave us a Valentino fragrance. This is the Voice Diva Intensa by Valentino. I actually own this fragrance and I love it. So I got a baby one of this. Yes, Glossybox. Yes, I am super excited to have gotten this. Guys, check this out. I have the big bottle. Let me show you. Alrighty guys, so I ran to my beauty room to show you guys that I wasn't lying. I do love this fragrance because I have the big bottle. And now I have the baby one. I've received this and I've done like the Ulta and Sephora, like the fragrance samplers, deluxe fragrance samplers. So I have like, I think like 2 of these already, but your girl ain't lying. She loves this fragrance. So this is cute. I actually use like my travel size ones like when I travel, so I don't have to carry my big bottle just in case I may break it. But love this fragrance, guys. If you want a grown and sexy scent, for this scent reminds me of like if I'm going on a date night, if I'm going out to dinner, you know, I'm dressed in like a chic outfit, I got my beret on. This is the scent for that, Valentino. Thank me later, guys. Thank your girl later. So anyway, loving the first item in the box. Good job, Glossybox. Loving the first item. Let me see here. So it says the full size of this is $135. The deluxe mini that they gave us was $9.45. How cute is she, guys? She cute and tiny. I am here for it. I am here for it. Alrighty. The next thing, there's a lot of things in here. What is this? The next thing I got is something in a pouch. What is she? Alright, so this is by a brand called Neo Lastin. It's a rejuvenate and hydrate moisturizing cream. It is sealed. I'm not going to open it just because I'm probably going to give this away. Because you guys know I have so much moisturizers. I don't need any more at the moment. So one lucky subscriber will get this when I do like my next giveaway. Alrighty, so it says the full size of this retails for $140 and this deluxe size, which is 20 ml, is worth 56 smackaroonies. Alrighty, the next thing we got here is, what is this, guys? I'm loving the little sequence things in the bag. It's so cute. But what's inside? Ooh, this is it looks like it's a gold pigment. And it has the initials KGC on it. So let's see here. It says, this is a loose shimmer powder. Multifunctional loose shimmer powder. It says that you can use it for glittery eyeshadow, a highlighter for your cheekbones. And you can put it on a bold lip. So very multi-purpose. And And the brand, was I right with the brand? The brand is called Kawi Girl Cosmetics, so I guess that's why it says KGC on it. So super excited to try this pigment out. I love eyeshadows. The next thing I got is a gloss by Terry. It looks like a clear gloss. I don't see this on the actual card. I don't know if this was like an extra thing they threw in here. Oh, it says it's a surprise extra treat, so this must be the extra treat because I don't see that on here. If you guys look on here, it's not on the actual card. So we got an extra treat here by Terry. By Terry is very expensive, so I'm super excited to try this clear gloss out. This stuff is very good. Let's see what else we got. We got a CBD scalp calming shampoo. Now my scalp is very dry, very dry, so I definitely can't wait to try this out because any type of scalp calming, like I've just recently bought something from Barigio for the scalp, is gonna be like a lifesaver for me because I don't know why I put hair oil in my scalp and it just sucks it up the next day my hair is dry. So I'm super excited to try this out. Let's see how much the full price of that is for. The full price of that is $53. Oh wow, holy moly. And the deluxe size is 16 bucks. The next thing I got is a Collagen Eye Mask. I loved masks, guys. You guys know I love masks. If you saw my, not my review, if you saw my video where I showed you guys how I store most of my skincare, you saw I have like a whole box just of masks. Eye mask, face mask, feet mask, hand mask, any type of mask I have. And this is going in my collection of masks to use because your girl's always booked and busy, so them eye patches is going to be helpful for me to keep me looking young and youthful. So very excited to try this out. This retails for, I don't know because it's not on here. On this paper here it says I was supposed to get a Nano Gold Repair Lip Mask, but I don't know like how this was curated and maybe they didn't have it and they put this in instead. But nevertheless, eye mask, lip mask. I would prefer eye mask rather than a lip mask because I think my lips are fine. I don't like to make them look any more plumper or fuller. So for me, this actually worked out to my favor for the eye one. The next thing I got is a Lip Cosmetics. This is for lip and cheek. This is full size. This retails for $20 in the shade Work. So it looks like it's a pretty neutral color. I had got this a while ago, so I'm probably going to give this away in my next giveaway. The next thing I got is by Bloom Effects. It's a Dutch Dirt Mask. Dutch Dirt Mask. Is that on here? Yes. So it says the full size of this retails for $49, and this is a full size. So it's an exfoliating scrub and face mask, so it's all in one. It helps to purify pores, and it says it helps with congestion, it detoxes your skin, and gives it a helps to renew dull and congested skin. So if I get moisturizers when I do my subscription boxes, I give them away, but I always keep the mask and the eye cream because those things you can use multiple different ones of them during the month. You just can't, I just don't like to use different serums or different moisturizers like within a month because I want to see if the product is actually working. But you can do off and on different masks. So I believe that is everything I got in my box. It's empty, just some squigglies in here. What did you guys think about this limited edition box? I loved it. My favorite thing in here was my mini Valentino fragrance to go with the mommy fragrance. I loved getting a by Terry gloss because I absolutely love their products. They're expensive, so if I could get them in a box, I'd rather not pay for it. So very excited for this gloss. It's clear, so I'm gonna get use out of it. I'm very excited to try this CBD scalp calming shampoo. If you're a subscriber of mine, and you guys know I always complain about my scalp being very dry, and a lot of my hauls I buy things for my dry scalp. If you guys have any suggestions for me, let me know in the comments down below. But very excited to try something new out to see if this works. I'm very excited for this eye glitter, or not even necessarily eye glitter, it's like an eye pigment, but it looks very pretty. I love doing gold shadows on my eye. I mean, I have on a gold shadow today, so you know I ain't lying. But very excited to try this out. I do own this already, so you know, if I didn't have it, I would be happy to have that, because there's a lip and cheek, which is, I love multi-purpose products. The mask, I'm always here for a mask because my skin is not cooperating lately, so I'm definitely going to use this mask. The only thing for me personally, oh, and almost forgot about the eye patch. I love eye patches, definitely going to use this. The only thing I probably won't use, and this is my personal thing, is I have so many moisturizers, but that's an Aisha issue because I have so many subscription boxes and they tend to always give like a serum or a moisturizer, so I'm going to be gifting this to one of my subscribers when I do my next giveaway. When I hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to have another big, massive giveaway. So stay tuned for that. But rather than that, I did like my box, and I'm excited. I'm very excited to try all my stuff out. It wasn't like a skincare heavy box. It was only 2 skincare things in there. I got a little bit of everything. I got a fragrance. I got eyeshadow. Oops, I'm dropping everything. I got lip gloss. I got a lip and cheek tint. I got a hair product. So I love that. I love when the boxes are not overall skincare heavy. So Glossybox got the memo, and I'm super excited to try everything. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys got the Glossybox limited edition box. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know. I want to know your comments and your thoughts down below. And that's really about it. I have so much boxes to unbox for you guys, so I'm gonna do a double whammy as always and film 2 videos in one, because you know how your girl does. You know how I do already. So I think I'm gonna do my Macy's beauty box next, so stay tuned for that video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.